To further explain the meaning of Atmaram, Krishna Chakravarti Pad explains, thus, although Krishna is Atmaram or self-satisfied, he derives more joy or ramata, satisfaction, from his devotees than even his own self, as confirmed by his own words in 11th canto, chapter 14, verse 15. O Uddhav, neither Brahma, Shiva, Sankarshan, or even Lakshmi Devi herself, or even my own self, my Atma, are as dear to me as you are. That's the zenith, that's the topmost limit of loving expression. No, even my own self. So many people and so many relationships are very dear and near to me, but none of them compare to how dear I am to myself and how near I am to myself. Me first. Like Krishna is saying, even my own self, my devotees are more important than my own self. And I find more happiness not from my Atmaramata, but from my Premi Bhaktas. This is an enchanting and a mystical point. Now he quotes 9th canto, 464. Maybe Durvasa Muni's story. Vishnu is saying, Durvasa, O best of the Brahmins, without saintly persons, for whom I am the only destination, I do not desire to enjoy my transcendental bliss and supreme opulences. So my Aishvarya aspect of myself, the bliss and love, or my Vibhuti aspect, my Madhurya aspect, my bliss and love, or my Aishvarya aspect, my supreme opulences and grandeur and power and riches, sampati, I don't care. I only want to be with the loving devotees. Since the gopis of Braj, the cowherd damsels of Braja Bhumi, are the supreme amongst all Krishna's devotees, Krishna, although he is Atmaram, enjoys with the gopis to increase his bliss. So this is Vishnu Chakravarti's comment on this verse 42.